Hey y'all, we made another trip to Harbor Freight. Today we got the Baxter Air File. And what this does is it helps you put things on a flat plane surface whenever you're sanding. Let's open it up and see what we got here. It comes with your air file and air file instructions. And like the other ones, this requires oil, and also it requires oil there. That's where your slide piston is, so remember to oil that Phillip head screw as well. Like I said before, I'll just take and peel the sticker off and leave the tape on, and that acts as my thread sealer. So take it and install the air fitting in the end of it, and it says right there, oil daily as you use it. So I always take, like I said, first off, put about 10 drops of oil in it. It does come with oil, packaging oil, but it's best to add oil to it before you start to use it. And I'm going to go ahead and put oil in this slide on the side here too. That way, start off on the right foot. And this is equipped to be used two ways. You can either get self-adhesive sandpaper, so it's got a foam pad there that will let you stick the self-adhesive to it, or either we always just use the binding paper, which means you got a little, flip that lever up on the side, on the rear, flip the lever up on the front, and open those little jaws up right there. You stick your sandpaper in there, square it up to the bottom of the sander, just clamp your jaws back down. You don't want to grab about a quarter or a little less of your sandpaper behind your jaws, because the sandpaper just is long enough to fit the pad. And you repeat the same step on the other end, and you are ready to start sanding. So let me get a screwdriver, and I will take the fitting out, take the screw out of that and put oil in it. But in the meanwhile, go to Harbor Freight, get your own Baxter Air File today, and we'll put it to work here and show you how good of a job it does. All right, just take a Phillip head screwdriver and remove the screw from the side of the tool. And then just take your air tool oil, put about 10 drops in it. Some of mine landed on the tool instead of in it. And if it won't accept no more, if you'll just jog the slide back and forth, it'll let more oil go down in it. And just put your screw back in and tighten it back up. And you're now ready to work. But if you get air tool oil on this pad, it will soak it in and it won't let your sandpaper stick to it. So be careful doing that when you're applying your oil. In the first startup, you always want to make sure you don't hold your tool over what you're working on, because it's going to shoot the oil out of it that you just put in it. Oh yeah, it's a lot smoother than the one I was using yesterday. Well, there you have it. My sandpaper's old, so it's rolling the sandpaper off of it. But you can also get a metering valve to put here in line and where your fitting goes. That way you can adjust the air pressure to slow it down or speed it up. But go get yours today from Harbor Freight, the Baxter Air File. Thanks for watching.